In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add professional email on Getresponse. Using a professional email address in Getresponse helps your messages look more credible and consistent, especially if you are sending newsletters or automated campaigns. It also makes it easier for subscribers to recognize you because the name and email they see in their inbox will match your brand. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Getresponse account and you are on the main dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the profile menu. In the list of options, select emails and domains. This is the area where Getresponse manages the addresses you can send from, along with any related domain settings. Once you are on the emails and domains page, stay on the email addresses tab. This tab shows the list of sender addresses that are already connected to your account. To add a new professional email, find and click the Add Email button. This starts the process of registering another sender identity in your Getresponse account. Now you will enter the sender details. First, type the name exactly as you want it to appear to recipients. This is the display name people see in their inbox, so use a clear and professional option, such as your business name or your personal name paired with your brand. Keep it consistent with what you use on your website and other communications so subscribers immediately recognize it. Next, enter your professional email address in the email field. Make sure you type it carefully, since this is the address your subscribers will see and potentially reply to. When you are ready, click Add to submit it. After you add the address, take a moment to confirm that it appears in your email addresses list. If you manage multiple sender addresses, using a consistent naming style can help you choose the right one later when creating newsletters, autoresponders, or automations. And that is all there is to it.